Imagine holding a map that guides you to a life of greater success and effectiveness. A map that millions of people around the world have already followed, and it completely transformed their lives. This isn't just empty talk. These are the powerful ideas Stephen Covey shared in his legendary book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. In this video, I'll take you through these 7 habits, not as a simple checklist, but as a practical journey that will change the way you see yourself and your entire life. The very first thing Covey insists on is that a truly effective person doesn't sit around waiting for circumstances to control them. They take initiative. That's the first habit. Be proactive. Instead of saying, I can't or I'm not ready, ask yourself, what can I do right now despite the circumstances? Because every single moment, you're making choices. Choices about how you act, how you respond, and how you shape your life. But initiative alone isn't enough. Imagine being on a ship in the middle of the ocean, working hard, rowing with all your strength, but with no idea where you're headed. Where will you end up? That's why Covey's second habit is, begin with the end in mind. Don't live your days randomly. Ask yourself, what's my goal? What do I want to achieve in life? What kind of person do I want to become? Having a clear end in mind gives you an inner compass, so you're not just drifting with the waves of life, but steering toward a purpose. Once you know your destination, the real challenge begins. How do you manage your time? Covey's third habit says, put first things first. How many times have you wasted hours on small, trivial things while postponing your big, meaningful goals? An effective person knows how to say no to what doesn't serve their greater purpose. That means giving priority to what truly brings you closer to your goals, even if it's harder, even if it requires discipline. Success isn't about doing a lot of things. It's about doing the things that really matter. After building yourself from the inside, it's time to turn toward others. And that's where the habits of collective success begin. Habit 4 is think win-win. Most people operate with the mindset of either I win or you lose, but real success comes from seeking solutions where both sides benefit. This mindset builds trust, opens doors, and creates long-lasting relationships because when everyone wins, success multiplies. Then comes the fifth habit, seek first to understand, then to be understood. Have you noticed how most people don't really listen? They're just waiting for their turn to speak. An effective person does the opposite. They listen deeply, trying to see the world through your eyes before explaining their own point of view. The result is stronger communication, mutual respect, and a far greater ability to persuade and influence. And when the win-win mindset meets the skill of genuine listening, you reach the sixth habit, synergy. This is where you realize that the creativity of a group can go far beyond what individuals can achieve alone. Your idea and my idea can merge to create a third idea, stronger, deeper, and more effective. Collaboration doesn't mean giving up your perspective. It means opening yourself to new possibilities that you could never have discovered on your own. And finally, the seventh habit, sharpen the saw. Imagine trying to cut wood with a dull saw. No matter how hard you work, you'll tire quickly and get poor results. The smarter move is to pause and sharpen the saw. Life works the same way. You need to recharge and renew yourself. Care for your body with exercise and healthy habits. Feed your mind with learning and growth. Nurture your spirit through reflection and faith. And strengthen your relationships with family and friends. Because only a balanced person can keep going strong and give their best for years to come. These are the 7 habits, not just a checklist to memorize, but a way of life. The beauty is you don't need to master them all at once. It's enough to start with just one habit today, and over time the others will naturally flow into your life. Tell me in the comments, which of these 7 habits do you feel you need to start practicing right now?